Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 364th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all of you some amazing oatmeal raisin cookies. And my friends, these are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make, and it just melts in your mouth. Y'all going to fall in love with these cookies. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cookies recipes playlist and my previous video, chicken empanadas. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your spices, your raisins, and your oatmeal sugar because we're about to bake some oatmeal raisin cookie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my bowl, I have 1 cup of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in a half a teaspoon each of ground cinnamon and baking soda. And a pinch of allspice, which is 1/8 of a teaspoon. And we're going to add in 1.5 cups of old-fashioned oatmeal. Going to whisk all these ingredients together until they're well incorporated. Alright, so now we're going to set them aside while we work on the wet ingredients. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have a half a cup, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter, and 4 ounces, which is half of an 8-ounce carton of cream cheese spread, and they're both at room temperature. And into our butter and cream cheese we're going to add in a 1/4 of a cup of white sugar and a half a cup of packed light brown sugar. And we're going to cream all these ingredients together on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 1 large egg at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a half a teaspoon of pure almond extract. Mix those in until they're well incorporated. Alright my friends, now we're going to slowly add in the flour and oatmeal mixture. And I turn my speed down to low. Mix those in until they're well combined. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing everything. Smell the almond extract. It smells great. Alright, so now it's time to add in our last ingredient. We're going to fold in 1 cup of raisins. Alright my friends, I'm through folding the raisins. Now we're ready to form them into cookies. We're going to put our cookies on the 9x13-inch long baking pan lined with foil, or you can use parchment paper. So using my spoon, we're going to dollop a teaspoon or 2 of the dough. I'm going to scoop it like that. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cookies and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, now we're ready to put our oatmeal raisin cookies in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven and we're going to let them bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I have taken my oatmeal raisin cookies out of the oven. And there's nothing like the smell of freshly baked cookies. Look how nice and golden brown they are around the edges. Those look magnificent. All right, so now I'm gonna let the cookies rest for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I'll plate them up and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, there you have it. Oatmeal raisin cookies. Don't that look good? All right, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Mmm. Look at that texture. Soft and chewy. Great balance of flavor. Please don't skip the cream cheese. Really makes a difference. These oatmeal raisin cookies are incredible, my friends. Get you a glass of milk and you'll be good to go. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Oatmeal raisin cookie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.